Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Biology MCQ series of NEET Buddy, where we are providing you with daily biology MCQs from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12th NCERT Biology, and the topic for today's MCQs is what you're seeing on screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. What does the diagram represent? Option A, hydroponic plant production. Option B, hybridization plant production. Option C, nutrient solution culture. Or option D, hydrolytic plant production. What does the diagram represent? This is the diagram of NCERT. What does it represent? The correct answer is option A, that is hydroponic plant production. Question 2. Which of the following statements is incorrect about criteria of essentiality of an element? Which of the following statement is incorrect about criteria of essentiality of an element? Element must be necessary for growth and reproduction. Plants can't send seeds in absence of element. Element must not be replaceable by another element. Element must be indirectly involved in metabolism of plant. Which of the following statement is incorrect about criteria for essentiality of an element? The correct answer is statement D is incorrect. Element must be directly involved in metabolism of plant, not indirectly. It should have direct role in metabolism of plant. Question 6. How many macronutrients is there in the following list? How many macronutrients is there in the following list? 3, 6, 5 or 4? The correct answer is option A, that is 3 macronutrients are there in the list, that is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These 3 are macronutrients. Question 4. Nutrient required by plant in greatest amount is potassium, magnesium, nitrogen, phosphorus. Nutrient required by plant in greatest amount is. The correct answer is option C, that is nitrogen is required by plant in greatest amount. Question 5. Element required for synthesis of oxygen is. Element required for synthesis of oxygen is manganese, nitrogen, zinc, magnesium. Element required for synthesis of oxygen is. The correct answer is option B, that is zinc is required for synthesis of oxygen. Question 6. Which of the following is not the function of boron? Pollen germination, carbohydrate translocation, activation of enzymes, cell elongation. Which of the following is not the function of boron? The correct answer is option C. Boron has no function in activation of enzymes. Other 3, pollen germination, carbohydrate translocation and cell elongation, boron plays important role in these functions. Question 7. Necrosis of leaf tissue is symptom of deficiency of manganese, magnesium, zinc, molybdenum. Necrosis of leaf tissue is a symptom of deficiency of. The correct answer is option B, magnesium. Magnesium deficiency results in necrosis of leaf tissue. Question 8. What is the role of Pseudomonas in nitrogen cycle? Role of Pseudomonas in nitrogen cycle: denitrification, ammonification, nitrification, none of above. Role of Pseudomonas, which is a bacteria in nitrogen cycle. The correct answer is option A, it carries out denitrification. Question 9. Bacteria that oxidizes nitrite to nitrate is Nitrosomonas, Nitrococcus, Nitrobacter, Theobacillus. Bacteria that oxidizes nitrite to nitrate is. The correct answer is option C, Nitrobacter oxidizes nitrite to nitrate. Question 10. Example of free-living anaerobic nitrogen fixer is free-living anaerobic nitrogen fixer. Azotobacter, Bergernicia, Rhodospirillum, Theobacillus. Free-living anaerobic nitrogen fixer. The correct answer is option C. Rhodospirillum is the example of free-living anaerobic nitrogen fixer. Question number 11. Leguminous plants are able to fix atmospheric nitrogen through the process of symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Which one of the following statements is not correct during this process of nitrogen fixation? Is not correct. Nodules act as site of nitrogen fixation. The enzyme nitrogenase catalyzes the conversion of atmospheric N2 to NH3. Nitrogen is insensitive to oxygen. Leg hemoglobin scavenges oxygen and is pinkish in color. Leguminous plants are able to fix atmospheric nitrogen through the process of symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Which of these statements is incorrect? So the correct answer is option C. Nitrogen is insensitive to oxygen. Question number 12. For its action, nitrogenase requires light, Mn2, superoxygen radicals or high input of energy. For its action, nitrogenase requires. The correct answer is option D, high input of energy. Question number 13. How many macronutrients is there in the following list? You have to tell how many macronutrients are there. 3, 6, 5, 4. You can see the list. There are a total of 7 elements. Of these, how many are macronutrients? The correct answer is option A. 3 are macronutrients. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Question number 14. The common nitrogen fixer in paddy field is Rhizobium, Azospirillum, Oscillatoria or Frankia. Common nitrogen fixer in paddy field is. The correct answer is option C, Oscillatoria. Question number 15. Which of the following are most suitable indicator of SO2 pollution in environment? Most suitable indicator of SO2 pollution in environment. Fungi, lichens, conifers or algae. SO2 pollution indicator. The correct answer is option B, that is lichens. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 11th NCERT biology. Do read that chapter up, and if you found this helpful, do share it with your friends as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.